Hey.
So, how you like your new job?
Oh, it's great.
Yeah. So, understand everything for now?
I mean, not really. I don't really get what they're doing here.
Okay. So, if you look here, we will be spying, tracking, reading, and listening to everyone's personal information. And this right here is the PRISM, a program that was established by NSA, National Security Agency, and it was under yeah. Do you think personal, or do you have any, websites you use?
I mean, I
Facebook?
use Facebook in my iPhone. It's Apple.
And everything? Yeah, you use those? Oh, great. So, then we're able to access your data.
Oh.
See the contract? That's part of the contract here.
Wow.
You didn't realize that?
Is it just can you only access the workers' data, or is it like everyone?
Everyone. Everyone that we want. So, yeah, so we're able to access your data if we wanted. Yeah. There was a leak a few years back with this Snowden guy, Edward Snowden. He makes my name. That name. Who named that kid? And, yeah. But, he kind of leaked the whole program, kind of ruined it.
Oh.
So everyone now knows about it who read up on it. Seriously, bro?
It's kind of inhumane.
Inhumane? What do you mean?
It's not moral.
That's what he thought too. He didn't want to be part of the country due to the fact of that.
I see. So where is he gone now?
Right now, he's in Russia.
Oh, wow, he's gone quite a few ways.
Far enough, right? Yeah.
So you think it's a good idea to be spying on people?
It's for yours and the other people's own good. So, to be honest, I think you and everyone else needs to accept it, and I really think you should stop asking questions before you get questioned yourself by the government.
Okay. I won't talk anymore.
So, yeah. So, if anything, if you want to look into it, I would try finding policies or look it up online.
Okay, sounds good. Try that.
Look at a few slides or whatever.
Oh, really?
I'm pretty sure
there are slides?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they sent it to you. So since you're a new worker and you kind of need to know all this, they sent them to you, obviously.
Yeah. I think I checked that email. Yeah.
So, well, anyways.
Nice speaking to you.
Yeah.
I'm terrified, but yeah.
Sorry about that, but it won't be that bad if you get used to the policies.
And people spying on you.
Not really just you, it's the whole country. It's the computers, it's everything.
Makes it feel so much better.
Yeah. Just don't do anything wrong and don't leak anything and we're all good to go, right?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Well, I'll see you later.
Okay, have a fantastic lunch.
In the intro, this video is about NSA, Edward Snowden, and PRISM. Authorizations for this program dates back to 2007. When Congress passed the Protect Americans Act of 2007 under the Section 702 of the Foreign Intelligence Surveillance Amendment of 2008. The laws brought changes to the U.S. surveillance laws under President Bush and were renewed under President Obama. Companies were legally obligated by law to comply with NSA's request for users' communication. So in short terms, yes, it is legal. So, for the full NSA Corporation, on May 7th, 2015, a federal appeal court ruled systematic collection of millions of Americans' phone records is illegal. The court ruling was in response of a lawsuit filed by the American Civil Liberty Union, which argued data collection should be stopped as it violates privacy rights, though they were not told to stop collecting records as of yet by the court. For PRISM, some people argue that it goes against privacy rights, but according to the government, it does not violate any of our privacy rights. This is Edward Snowden, a computer professional and ex-NSA employee. When he was 29, he leaked slides about PRISM, which was a picture slowly covering Snowden's face. Also, he fled to Hong Kong first, but then in Russia, where he currently resides. Right now, he's 31. And he's trying to come back to the U.S. by cutting a bargain with the U.S. government. In one of Obama's speeches, he says, "You cannot have 100% security and 100% privacy." The link is in the description. Other the people who see your information and hand it off to NASA, they are your average sites like Google, Apple, YouTube, other companies too. Info gathered is used to keep us safe from terrorist attacks and other horrible events that may occur. Alright, to be honest, there is no 100% way of keeping your info, anything that's really personal, safe. But one thing is for sure, if you don't want someone finding out something, don't put it on the internet. Don't send it to anyone through any sorts of means, unless it's like a letter. Because then people will find it if it's some way through internet or space and time.